Hello and welcome to Lauren's Travels. I am returning back to SeaWorld Orlando's Howl-O-Scream event. There's lots to see here tonight, including 7 scare zones. 3 of them are new, and one of them is called Seeds of the Coven. It's about witches, so I'm excited to see that. And then they have 5 haunted houses here. 4 of those are brand new. So there's a lot of new things to see here this year. And there's also a lanyard we can get for trying some of the different food and drink offerings. So let's go check it out. This is Seeds of the Coven, so this is the first scare zone we see when we're walking into the park. Very witchy, very spooky. This scare zone also has its own little photo spot here with these witchy limbs. This is the toxic turmoil scare zone.
Alexa is always wrong. Keep it moving. Nothing to see here.
Contamination alert.
Cannot stay here. Do not touch anything. Go. Save yourself.
We're now coming up to the Paradise Palms scare zone. I like that they announce which one you're coming up to. It helps me. The description on this one is like a tropical abandoned motel. Spooky. Hi.
Get off my lawn. Have a grasshopper.
Ooh. Oh no. The Jack the Ripper booth is right outside of Monster Stomp, so I did want to get that vampire burger sidewinder fries, and then I also got a lacto cooler. This is the first year I'm actually seeing Howl-O-Scream Orlando have a lanyard for the event. Usually they'll have these food lanyards for like their Mardi Gras event and other events throughout the year, but never Halloween, so this is a first. Here's a first look at that burger. The sidewinder fries look fantastic. There's not too many specialty food booths for this event, but this one does have some pretty tasty looking things, I'd say. I thought the burger was going to be really good, but actually the fries were the best part of that. I don't know if they've changed this show much from when we saw it in the past, but Monster Stomp, Slasher Alley. It's kind of like a Jack the Ripper themed show that they do with singing, dancing, special effects. So I'm gonna try to see this tonight as well. Got a good side of the stage view here. Of the deep scare zone. Lots of fog over here. Pirates in here. Pirates. Oh. Steering the ship here. This is the Atlantis Journey Below house, and it's supposed to have sinister sea creatures inside the lost city of Atlantis. Pretty short line, actually. I think we'll get through this one pretty quick.
Tall pirates coming through!
Oh,
He's not your friend!
big pirate.
Doesn't like these 4 eyes.
Spooky little Bub's bait shop over here. Uh-oh. This is Cannibal Harbor, I think. Yummy.
Delightful fingers you have.
Oh no!
It's some beautiful finger food.
No lady fingers tonight.
That's fine. I like finger food though.
Oh, okay.
Sharing is caring.
Sharing is caring.
Teach you in school that sharing is caring. Do not be greedy. You only need one. Give me your hand.
No!
Come on.
No!
Yes.
Megan, give the hand.
No, yours.
No! No! Coming up on another scare zone. This one is Carnevil Pier. Uh-oh. Almost looks like we're going into a house, but it's a spooky little scare zone. Oh, got a strong man here.
What are you looking at, lady?
Yeah, I know. First time I saw somebody do this, I forgot to applaud too. But I lobotomized myself with a fork for you. The least you can do is clap your hands together a couple times.
They've got a couple fun photo spots in the carnevil area. And then we got this bar here with some very spooky masks. This is the carnevil candy apple that has vodka, pineapple, and Granny Smith apple and caramel. I love this green color. So I just did that Atlantis house and it was very long. A little corny, but I like corny. And it felt like you were underwater with some really weird sea creatures. So yeah, first house of the night. I'm hoping to do at least 1 or 2 more. Second house of the night is the Ultimate Gamble, which I feel like is gonna be a casino style house. I'm wondering what kind of monsters await us inside. I will come back with a report after I'm done. We were done with that Ultimate Gamble one. It like led us right into this other house, Delirium 666, which is kind of like a military-based weird experiment soldier type thing. I don't know how to describe it. It was interesting, but so far my favorite house I think is going to be that Ultimate Gamble one. I really liked that one. It wouldn't be a visit if we didn't come to the Shop of Horrors. They've got this cool little setup here. You could take a fun photo. Got some Howl-O-Scream branded things. This is kind of cool. I like the look of this one. And they've got some cute mugs. Oh, I like this little ghost piece. And a SeaWorld shirt, Howl-O-Scream with all the houses and scare zones. The unfortunate is the last booth of the night for us. From here, I ordered the vegetable crispy dumplings served with ponzu sauce. Ooh, these look real good. It's gonna hit the almost midnight snack. So I think Water's Edge Wellness Center could be our last house of the night. This is supposed to be like a rehabilitation type building with some zombies or lost souls. At least that's what I got from the description. That wellness retreat one was very interesting. It was a morgue and a psych ward and like a bunch of things all in one. It had a lot going on, but I really liked it. And ending the night with Farm 51. I have a feeling there'll be aliens. Definitely get food and do the show and some rides early in the evening. And then later on, all of the houses clear out. It gets very empty in here. Like right now, we're waiting maybe 5 to 15 minutes per house. And we got all of them done. Very breezy in this room. It does. I like the lighting in here. They have some like home decor in here. I really like that candle one, but it's like $55. A little pricey for me. That black jacket is cool too with the skulls. Like this is very, very cute. Sparkly, witchy back. But $85. You're breaking my heart. And that was our night here at Howl-O-Scream Orlando. I actually enjoyed this year. I think it was cool that we got to do all of the houses and scare zones in one night, plus Monster Stomp. That's a lot accomplished, I think. And the best part is that we got these tickets when they were on sale before the event started, so they were only like $30 or $35 a piece. That's an amazing steal for this theme park event for Halloween. This is definitely more of an adult event, but I did see a lot of kids here, so it's up to you. If you think your kid's gonna enjoy it, bring them. I did see a child throwing up in line. That's unfortunate, but they were behind me, so yeah. If you have any questions about this year, leave them in the comments below, and I will see you next time on Lauren's Travels. Bye!
Hey! Are you recording this?
Maybe.
Just to put on the internet?
Maybe.
You better make me famous!